Shopify's point-of-sale system helps you sell at every stage of your business with fast and secure payment.
Yo. Hi chat, hope you guys have had a good week so far. Good start of the week. Let me just set up everything and let me do analysis. So, my apologies that I'm coming on late today. Not sure what happened, but I'm kind of unwell today, but it's fine though. It should be alright. Right, let's see what's up. Cool. Everything is up running. Alright, let me go back to monthly. Alright, so monthly, we just literally had the monthly candle of May closed, and this is literally an opening of the June candle, right? So I'm assuming that overall you should be able to come up and fill the range on the monthly candle here. That's what I would assume. That's what you would do. Like, you're opening up, you're pushing up right now. You have not got a bottom wick yet. Now look at the previous few months, like March, April and May, when you would continue to push, you don't have a bottom wick. So I would not be surprised if you continue to push up here without a bottom wick. However, you can still print a bottom wick before you flip and drive up. I'm just saying that I would not be surprised that if price continue to push and fill this wick, and then potentially even push a new all-time high for all I know, right? But that's a possibility that will not print a bottom wick. But you have to open your mind that there's still a chance that it's still even print bearish after coming up, printing a top wick, and then close bearish like this. After fold the wick, something like this, because the fact that it has no top, no bottom wick, and if it print, it's come up after fold the range on the monthly wick, that there's a possibility that is also a liquidity for you to drive down to print a bottom wick, or even print bearish for all I know, right? So I'm assuming that you'll be able to fold the wick here overall. Let me drop down to the weekly. So the weekly is pretty interesting. Weekly. Now, if this is not a fake out, if this is a fake out, I'm assuming that the weekly should be able to pop down towards 2300, right? Which is, I'm assuming that you're going to continue to push down and put in a bottom wick and tap into these levels right here. If this is a fake out on the weekly. However, if this is not a fake out and you continue to push up here, then yeah, sure, that's literally a wick fill on the monthly, and that's just literally continuation on the weekly as well. But for now, the range on the weekly, I'm assuming if you do push down, you will push down to 2300. But if you're not, and for some reason there's a support resistance here, it's now newly created, then then I'm assuming you'll be able to push up towards I'm assuming you should be able to push up towards the top of the range. Now the fact that the weekly closed bearish and we already broke the low, if we for some reason in the next few days the weekly actually flip and we break the low, I'm assuming that you should be able to just drive down towards the bottom of the range, right? If you're not, then you know what it's gonna do. It's just gonna come up towards the top of the range on the weekly. So that is where the daily comes in handy, right? So daily is a little bit more interesting. So daily, you're literally respecting this kind of level right here that I'm seeing to your left. You co-respecting this level, so the range overall on the daily is right here that I'm seeing. So we close bullish on the daily, so far into the day you actually come down. So there's a chance that you could, if you flip on a daily here, do you know what it means, right? It means that's a liquidity graph for you to continue to push up, and that if you continue, if that is a liquidity, I would imagine you should be able to tap into like 2361 minimum. When you tap into 2361, I'm assuming that you should be able to tap into these level right here onto the left. When you tap there, you see a rejection, and depends on how the today candle close as well. And I'm assuming that that's our late folder will have a lot of impact on that job opening today. So that is daily. So let me drop down to the 4 hours. So the fact that you close respecting, you close below and then you come back inside a range, could that be a fake out on the 4 hours then? You do have because there's a resistance right here. So you close back inside the range here, I'm assuming. You tap there, you didn't even close above. So I'm assuming if you close back below here, you should be able to come down. Let me see. Yeah, and I would not be surprised if we actually end up mirroring this particular move right here, because look at what it did. Come up here, tap into this level, and come back down. I'm seeing similar move right here as well, like come up and come back down. Like on the daily, you do have range going down, like you do have range going down, because all of this is just clean traffic. Like you push up, I would imagine if you push down, you push down cleanly. You only have 15 minutes into the fact that the 1 hour has no top wick, which is very interesting. So I'll get that in a bit. Let me just mark up our major level for now. So let me see. So there's a support right here. There is a support right here. Right, cool. One hour still not got a top wick though. It's a little bit off. The overall daily range, like, you can still come down here and tap into this level, 23, 27. So if you do come down here, then yeah, sure. Like if the weekly end up actually flipping here and we break the low, you know what it's going to do. It. All this is just literally a top wick on the weekly for you to come down, and the ideas of the weekly fake out. Previously I was talking about will be confirmed, but you don't have to guess. There is a small support resistance right here. Yeah, sorry chat for coming on late today. For some reason today I'm actually really unwell. You can tap. Maybe you do, you can come all the way down here, minimum 23, 32. Same thing here as well. Come up here, tap into there. Come all the way down to us 33, 27. So I would not be surprised if you actually end up doing that as well. The 1 hour still not got a top weight now, so it's a little bit rough. Now I'm looking at this particular push right here, where you come up here, you tap into this. Every time you push up, where do you push up? Where do you need to tap to push up? You tap into the 23.32. Now I can see that you tap into 23.32. That is your only logical support before you actually do anything else. $15 close with no bottom width, a little bit rough. I would need a top wick even for me to get in here. Alright, so if the flip here on the week break the low, that's 33 pips. I'm looking left, like every time you come down, it's not a lot of time that you actually reject until you tap into 23.32 here. You know what we'll do here, chat? Now that the 15 has a top wick, I will have my sell stop at the re-break of the low on the 15, because I'm assuming that if you re-break the low on the 15 here, you should be able to drive down towards 23.32, and once you do that, because you don't have anything, I'm looking left, you don't really have anything. So I'm assuming that if you do decide to like flip on 15 and then followed by the push, then you should be able to push down towards that level. But only if and only if you flip on the 15 here. I will not be doing anything because the 1 hour still not got top wick. So if and only if the 15 actually pushed down here, otherwise it's rough. $10 minutes for 30 minutes candle closure as well, I just saw. So we see what it's doing here. But you got to flip on the 15 here. Like if you don't flip on the 15, it's rough. I'll delete my buy, my sell stop. you know what I'm going to do here though? Now that we get to the 7 minutes, the last 7 minutes of the 30-minute candle, I'm going to delete my sell stop here and wait for a 30-minute candle opening. Now, I'm assuming that if you open up with a top wick on the 30-minute candle coming up as steep as the 2340, I'll take the flip coming down, because on the flip coming down towards that 2332, there's a 30 pips range. So we see here. Because the 1 hour still not got a top wick, so it might be a little bit rough to hunt for sell just now, just because it's still got another half an hour of the candle. If it decides to flip on this 1 hour candle, then you know what it's gonna do. Price action don't lie. Look at the back into a low, retest the support resistance, and boom. Yeah, price action just don't lie. Five minutes here. Now, I don't care if the 15 end up flipping in the last 5 minutes here, because the 5 minutes candle closing in 5 minutes, so that's what I will wait for. 1 minute for the 5 minutes candle closure here. Sheesh, 300 pips. $15 flipped. 15 flipped at very, very last minute. Interesting. Man, if this 30 minutes candle close, no bottom work, it's gonna be a day. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to call it a day. It's barely got a bottom work. As much as I love to look for a trade, but there isn't anything for me to look here. Not gonna lie, there isn't anything for me to look for. The 30 doesn't have a bottom wick, that's fine though, but this range from here to here is just not enough for me to take a trade. Because any given time this 15 can just still flip for the wick here, and that's be real rough, man. So what I'd say that I'll wait for the 1 hour candle closure, 22 minutes, and then we see where we go from there. Don't be formal. There's no reason to be formal. If it's not part of what you intend to take, then why are you feeling formal for? Unless this 5 goes below here and create a top wick for us. Yeah, if this is the next 5 open up, create a top wick, I'll take the re-break the low of the 5. Alright, so understand that right, so this 5 has no top wick. I can't do much here. Need to see a top wick on this 5, because if you re-break the low, looks like it just got to slowly drop down towards 23, 32. Like, I can't really do or say much about at this point. Like, once it taps there, to see a reaction. The 4 hours, This will be very interesting to see how the 4 hours candle closing here. I'm assuming that if you close back below the range here after tapping to here, I'm assuming you should be able to tap towards that 23, 27 overall on the 4 hours. So yeah, we still here. Last 15 to 48 and the 1 hour, huh? Interesting. yeah, I'm not gonna trade here until I see the 1 hour candle closure here and a 4 hour candle closure. You could wait for a 4 hour candle closure. I'll probably say I'll do the 4 hour candle closure, because when the 4 hour candle closure, you wait to see how it opens up on a 4 hour candle closure. If you open up with a top wick coming up to a 348, amazing, we take a wick entry coming down. If it doesn't have a bottom wick, if the 4 hours actually come down first and break the low, then yeah, sure, it is what it is. But we'll see here. The good thing is we start printing structure in the last 10 minutes of 4 hours. Volume candles. What the hell? Volume footprint. Oh, what the hell is this? How does anyone know how to trade this? Oh. What is this? Bro, how does anyone knows how to trade these kind of price action? Pretty sick though. Oh yeah, you can definitely swing GJ here. Look, but I'm not trading GJ. One pair is enough for me. Bet 332 is guaranteed tapped. That's the only support resistance you got for now. What do you tap there, man? There you go, tapped. 23.32. In the last 3 minutes of the 4-hour candle. When it taps there, it's gonna be rough because it's not a lot of thing to say apart from 4 hours closing, no bottom wick here. As long as it doesn't close no bottom wick. I'm looking left every time you come down here. Where is your top wick? Right here. There's the top wick is right here. So, man, we're gonna have to wait for a while. Man, oh man. Alright guys, looks like we are going to close bearish on the 4 hours and everything. Just wanna look at a top wick. Now you're gonna have to wait for the top wick on the 4 hours to form. When it does that, yeah, sure, you can look for play. I'm looking left. Where is your top wick? Most of the time here. Here. So see. You know what I would do here? I'll call it a day. My apology for coming on late. Don't know what happened, but it just one of those days when I fell sick. So hopefully you guys forgive me for that. Tomorrow, if I feel better, I would definitely turn up earlier. So with that being said, I will call it a day. And wish you guys a good rest of the day. If you guys continue to trade, make sure that you trade. Follow your plan. Make sure you trade accordingly. Make sure you stay disciplined. Don't go informal. It's just still beginning of the week as well. Another week, a new month. So make sure you have stop loss and everything in place. And yeah, man, enjoy your day. Enjoy the rest of your trading day. And I will catch you guys in the next stream. Alright.